Okay. Like that?
Does that feel good?
Condition it right too, Mom? Okay. I'm not good with kind of getting it on the floor, but...
Oh, that's okay.
I think conditioner just softens the hair. That's what I think it does.
Hi, Mom. Do whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, but mine looks like Eileen.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she said your name, Mom.
Sissy Smith.
She said your real name. Let me stand up holding it because I can see the top. Oops. Now the bangs, I don't know how I'm gonna separate that.
Just put in a little tiny clip.
Oh, okay. Brian's mommy.
Brian's gonna be your new hairdresser from now on, Sissy. Whenever you need a trim,
That's mine.
somebody's gonna do it.
Now I need it.
Do we have milk, you guys?
So that's
Yeah, we have a full gallon
Okay,
actually.
good. And Sissy wants pink hair, bye-bye.
She does?
So whenever you get that foiling done, you
Eventually.
can do a little bit of pink on her hair.
Yeah.
So you do need to practice.
There we go. I got it sectioned now. I'll just like this. Now I'll separate the bags. They should make one for boys. They should. Okay, so now this is the fun part where I get to cut it off. That's good. She's like a little human.
Look down, honey.
Gotta look down, baby.
honey.
Gotta look down, baby. Let's see. And this up.
And when before you're ready to cut, you gotta make sure her head's all the way down.
Brian says she's like a little human.
It's true.
She is a human bug.
I know.
Maybe that deserves a McDonald's cone.
Ooh.
An ice cream cone?
Oh, even a handles. I don't know if they're gonna be open.
McDonald's cone. $1 versus
Mommy, can we buy
$7?
if you sit down straight and you don't move and you're a good client.
If clients don't move,
Clients do not move, honey. Oh, bye-bye, that's a 45.
Oh shoot.
You get that one on the 0.
You gotta put it straight down.
Yeah, do you see how?
Yeah. See?
I guess because she wasn't straight down.
Yeah, she's looking down now.
There you go. Let me check this side.
That one looks pretty good. Not too bad.
Tiny bit off. Like. I think the sides are longer, right?
Yeah, because they haven't been cut.
Yes.
So,
Look down, Sissy.
I look down, baby. Oh. It's a lot. That's kind of at a slant, so I gotta make it straight.
And before you cut, make sure her hair is positioned. Because the positioning of the client's head is going to make a big difference.
Yeah. Tiny, tiny bit. No, that's a bang there.
Yeah,
So.
I think that's it.
It looks like a little bit off. Do you think? With this, that. Let me cut that. Unless it's a 45, but I don't know. Oh. That looks good.
Yeah?
Just a little bit off. See, I'm not even getting the placements either. I'm getting like
Mm-hmm.
maybe the way she angled is not
Yeah.
right. Let's see. Looks good. Now I could. I know, I like doing kids more. Yeah, so like, could do both adult and kids.
Emily, put your feet down. Not in one spot, just like this, look. Shh. That's it.
Okay.
Where are you, Bubba?
Yeah?
How does her hair look?
Looks good.
Nice and soft.
Yeah. I finally got my practice in.
Well done.
Closet so we don't lose it.
Yeah. Very good, sissy. Look at mom. Doesn't her hair look nice and healthy now?
Yeah?
After a while, if you don't cut off the dead ends, it gets like stringy.
Uh-huh.